Atlas Copco's PTE, the yellow box that keeps work sites and operators safe. The PTE's many safety features leave nothing to chance. Take its extra viewing glass, which makes it easier for the operator to spot potential problems. Every detail was designed with safety in mind. That's why there are multiple emergency stop push buttons on the machine. There's always one within easy reach. The compressor's doors can be secured in mere seconds. No more doors that dangerously flutter in the wind. The unit's lifting points are easy to reach, and all the connection points are ergonomically positioned. We have made it easy for the operator to follow all standard safety procedures. Atlas Copco's PTE thinks outside the box, not in the least where safety is concerned.